Ever pondered over how rovers navigate the challenging terrains of Mars? These remarkable machines, known as Mars rovers, are designed to traverse the alien landscapes millions of miles away, all while being remotely controlled from Earth. But with a time delay in signals, rovers need to function autonomously to a large extent. And that's where the marvel of modern technology steps in. Artificial intelligence. This cutting-edge technology is the key to the rover's self-reliance. The intriguing secret behind this autonomy lies in artificial intelligence, or AI. Imagine driving on a road with no GPS and no clear paths. That's exactly what these rovers do on Mars. Now let's dive into how artificial intelligence, or AI, plays a critical role in their navigation. These rovers are equipped with advanced algorithms that help them identify safe and efficient paths across the unpredictable Martian terrain. These algorithms analyze a multitude of factors such as the rover's current position, its destination, and the obstacles in its path. They then calculate the most effective route, all the while ensuring the rover's safety. But the intelligence of these rovers doesn't stop there. They possess the ability to learn from past experiences, enhancing their decision-making process for future tasks. For instance, if a rover encounters a certain type of obstacle that it struggled with, it stores that information. The next time it encounters a similar obstacle, it can reference this stored data, improving its navigation strategy. So, these rovers are not just machines, they are smart explorers learning from their journey, just like us. You might wonder, how does a rover know where to drill or which rocks to study? Thanks to artificial intelligence, rovers are equipped with the ability to analyze the Martian terrain and choose potential scientific targets. AI algorithms are used to scrutinize the vast landscape, identifying features of interest such as rock formations and soil patterns. The rover can then prioritize these targets based on a set of predetermined scientific objectives. If a certain rock formation aligns with these objectives, the rover knows it struck scientific gold. But that's not all. These intelligent rovers can also conduct experiments autonomously. They make decisions based on the data they collect, performing tasks such as drilling into Martian soil or analyzing mineral composition. Each action is meticulously calculated, a testament to the power of AI. So, in essence, these rovers are not just visitors on Mars, they are scientists, conducting groundbreaking research millions of miles away from their home. So, AI isn't just about robots taking over the world, it's about exploring new worlds. In our journey today, we've seen how AI propels intelligent rovers like Curiosity, enabling them to navigate Mars's rugged terrain, analyze its mysterious landscapes, and conduct scientific experiments independently. This revolution in space exploration is just the beginning. Next time you gaze at the red planet, remember there is a smart explorer out there, making its path, analyzing and conducting experiments all on its own thanks to the power of AI.